Welcome to a transformative journey that could redefine your financial future. Imagine turning your current economic struggles into a story of success within just 6 months. Sounds too good to be true. It isn't. If you know the right steps to take. In this video, any poor person who does this becomes rich in 6 months. We'll uncover the specific, actionable strategies that have turned financial underdogs into prosperous success stories. From essential mindset shifts to practical financial maneuvers, we'll guide you through each stage of your financial transformation. Are you ready to break free from financial constraints and unlock a richer lifestyle? This is not just another financial advice video. It's a blueprint for real financial independence. Stay tuned as we reveal the secrets to turning small, strategic moves into big financial gains. Let's embark on this eye-opening journey together. Number 1. Fixed to growth mindset shift. One of the fundamental shifts that can spur significant financial improvement is changing from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. A fixed mindset assumes that our capabilities and circumstances are static, which often leads to resignation and missed opportunities. In contrast, a growth mindset thrives on challenge and sees failure not as evidence of unintelligence, but as a heartening springboard for growth and for stretching our existing abilities. By adopting a growth mindset, you open yourself to financial opportunities that were previously ignored or unseen. This mindset encourages you to take calculated risks, invest in new learning, and adapt to changing economic environments. For instance, consider someone who once believed they could never understand the stock market. With a growth mindset, this individual might take the first step of attending a seminar or watching tutorials online, eventually leading to active investing. Each small success builds confidence and capabilities, setting the stage for further financial gains and breaking out of old, limiting financial patterns. Number 2. Prioritizing financial education. Financial literacy is a key lever in pulling oneself out of financial difficulty and into prosperity. Understanding the basics of budgeting, saving, debt management, and investment are foundational to transforming your financial destiny. For example, mastering how to create and stick to a budget can help you control your spending and save more. Learning about the power of compound interest and how to invest in stocks or mutual funds can build your wealth over time. There are numerous resources available to anyone starting their financial education journey. Websites like Khan Academy offer free courses on personal finance basics. For those who prefer books, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey provides a step-by-step plan for reshaping your financial habits. Additionally, podcasts such as So Money with Fanush Tarabi can offer daily insights and tips while you commute or exercise. Prioritizing your financial education equips you with the tools to make informed decisions, paving the way for financial success and stability. By committing a small amount of time each day to learning these concepts, you can turn the tide on your financial situation. Number 3. Budgeting and cutting expenses. Achieving financial freedom starts with mastering budgeting. Begin by tracking every dollar you spend for a month. You can use a simple spreadsheet or budgeting apps like Mint or In-App. You need a budget to make this easier. Once you have a clear picture of where your money goes, categorize your expenses into essentials, like rent and groceries, and non-essentials, like eating out and subscription services. Next, conduct a thorough spending review. Highlight areas where you can cut back, such as dining out less often or canceling underused subscriptions. Consider switching to less expensive alternatives for recurring expenses, like insurance or cell phone plans. A strategic approach to reducing expenses is to focus on high-cost items first, which will have the most significant impact on your budget. Also, apply the 30-day rule for non-essential purchases. Wait 30 days to buy and see if you still consider it necessary. These strategies not only reduce your outflow but also train you to think critically about spending, ensuring every dollar you save contributes towards your financial goals. Number 4. increasing income. To accelerate your path to financial freedom, boosting your income is crucial. Start by exploring side hustles that align with your skills and interests. For instance, if you are creative, consider selling your art or crafts online. If you are knowledgeable in a particular area, tutoring or consulting can be lucrative. Platforms like Etsy for crafts or Upwork for freelancing make it easier to connect with potential customers. Investing in high-value skills is another vital strategy. Coding, digital marketing, and data analysis are highly sought-after skills that can dramatically increase your earning potential. Online learning platforms such as Coursera and LinkedIn Learning offer courses in these areas. Remember, it's not just about working harder but smarter. Automating your income through passive income streams, such as renting out a property or investing in dividend-yielding stocks, can provide financial benefits without a proportional increase in active labor. This diversified approach to income generation ensures you have multiple financial safety nets in place. Number 5. Smart investing for beginners. For those new to investing, starting safely is key. Begin with understanding the basic types of investments: stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Bonds are akin to loans made to a corporation or government, while mutual funds are pooled money from many investors used to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Start with low-risk investments, such as high-grade bonds or index funds, which provide exposure to the stock market without the volatility of individual stocks. Consider using robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront, which manage your investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Educate yourself on the importance of diversification, spreading your investments across various assets to reduce risk. Also, keep in mind the power of compound interest. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly over time due to the interest building upon interest. Ensure you are well acquainted with the fees associated with different investment options and strategies for minimizing them, such as choosing low-fee funds. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and continual learning. Number 6. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety net designed to cover unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Starting an emergency fund is critical for financial security and can prevent you from falling into debt when surprises arise. Ideally, your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. To start, open a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund to avoid the temptation to spend it. Begin by saving a small, manageable amount from each paycheck, even if it's just $50 or $100. Over time, increase these contributions as your budget allows. Automating these savings can ensure they happen without requiring regular attention. This fund not only provides financial security but also peace of mind, allowing you to handle life's unexpected events without disrupting your financial goals. Number 7. Long-term financial planning and early retirement. Setting long-term financial goals is crucial for achieving financial independence and planning for early retirement. Start by envisioning where you want to be in 10, 20, or even 30 years. Consider goals such as buying a home, funding your children's education, or living comfortably in retirement. Break these long-term goals into manageable steps. For instance, if you aim to retire early, calculate how much money you need to live comfortably and how much you need to save each year to reach that amount. Tools like retirement calculators can help you estimate these figures more accurately. Invest consistently in retirement accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s, taking full advantage of any employer matches, which can significantly boost your savings. Additionally, consider other investment options like real estate or stocks to diversify and grow your retirement fund. Regularly review and adjust your financial plans as your circumstances and market conditions change to stay on track towards your retirement goals. This proactive approach ensures you are well prepared for the future giving you the freedom to retire on your own terms. Now, it's your turn to take action. Start by adopting one new financial habit today. Whether it's setting a budget, opening an investment account, or just learning something new about finance, small steps lead to big changes. Let's make financial success not just a possibility, but a reality. Start today and transform your tomorrow.